Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we can expect rainfall along the southern and southeastern coastline. That's due to a ridging high moving in behind the cold front, and this frontal system will bring in a large amount of cooling, particularly over the central and eastern part of South Africa on Tuesday. We're forecasting overcast weather with widespread thunderstorms over parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape, and we're still forecasting thundershowers over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, but with a fine and dry Tuesday over the extreme northwestern parts. There's also a watch for the possibility of heavy rainfall, and that includes parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and the extreme southeastern part of the Free State on Tuesday. Here's our rainfall probability map showing widespread thunderstorms over parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape, scattered though as we head towards the Free State and the remaining parts of KwaZulu-Natal, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers for the northwest, Gauteng and much of Mpumalanga, and then we're forecasting a 40% chance of rainfall along the southern and southeastern coastline. It'll be a comfortable Tuesday in the northeast, 28 degrees for Pretoria as well as Potchefstroom, Mahikeng and Vryburg, 26 for Johannesburg and Ermelo, and we're expecting a hot day for Bombela at 33 degrees. Temperatures remain warm over the northern part of KwaZulu-Natal, 30 degrees for Ladysmith and Vryheid, but with that cooler weather pushing in over the southern part of KZN as well as into the Eastern Cape and Free State, 20 degrees for Queenstown and Umtata, and Grahamstown at only 18 degrees. We're forecasting strong southwesterly winds along the coast between Port Elizabeth and Port St John's, 28 degrees for Richards Bay with a moderate south-southwesterly wind, and along the east coast we're expecting a 2.5 metre southerly swell at 8 seconds. 20 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East with a mild to warm day over the interior part of the Western Cape, 20 degrees for Muizenberg with a moderate south-southeasterly wind for False Bay, and you'll see more of a southwesterly wind of between 25 and 35 kilometres per hour along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and we're expecting a 3 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. A cooler day for the Northern Cape on Tuesday, 27 for Uppington and Priska, Kimberley at 26 degrees, Springbok also in the mid-20s. You'll see a mild day along the west coast with a predominantly southerly component to the wind. Fresh winds are forecast for Cape Town and Langebaan with a strong southerly wind for Alexander Bay, and along the west coast we're expecting a 2 metre southwesterly swell. Now we're forecasting a significant change in the weather over the northeastern and eastern part of South Africa on Wednesday, with cloudy and wet weather in the forecast, much cooler for Gauteng with highs in the teens, but you'll see a sunny and hot day for Cape Town just shy of 30. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.